Hi bro, how are you? This is your celebrity voices bot created, and now you see. First of all, we run our Python script here. This is our Python script. I run it, and now you see info schedule started. Now I go to here, and here I click on start. Welcome to Celebrate Voices and help to see the available commands. This bot allows you to have conversation with celebrities through send any message and the bot will respond in the selected celebrity's voice. You can access premium celebrity voice through our payment gateway. So I use here slash premium, and now you see premium voice celebrity one $9.99, celebrity two, and when I send purchase voice number by premium voice, then can I purchase premium voice as celebrities. Okay, and your bot is ready, everything is perfect. Now you need your place your whole project for $50. Accept this, provide a positive feedback on this, and place a new project here. So I give you complete source code.